Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Well, we got a wild one here, guys. Is VFS. If you've been following this, the story of this one, this is a Vietnamese EV electric vehicle maker. Started trading as EV back here on the 15th, August the 15th. It was a SPAC before. Did the merger on the day of. It went crazy. It got up to about $39. And it's pulled back the last 4 days, and then all of a sudden today, look at this in the pre-market, it was sitting around $18, and then it hit many of our scanners. I mean, you could pick just about any scanner, momentum up scanner. You can't see it. Where is it? Right there. Well, that's at 12:04. That was the high of the day, but it was firing in this momentum scanner as it was making that move up. And so, unbelievable, and people looking for a reason for it, there's no reason for it, okay? This is just like being at the casino and hope you're on the right side of the trade. There were some setups that you could take advantage of, but unbelievable, and many in the room did. Okay, guys, want to get back into the room. Have a great evening.